welcome back to another video, and happy Pancake Day, happy Shrove Tuesday, although by the time you see this video it will be Ash Wednesday and Pancake Day will be over. But I'm going to make some pancakes, but I'm not going to make normal pancakes. I'm going to make 2 ingredient pancakes, banana and egg. So I have 1 banana. They are just Tesco's ripe and ready bananas, and I have 1 egg. I have done this before and I used 2 eggs, but I'm going to try it today with just 1 egg and see how it goes. Let's get started. Cut up the banana. So you're going to want to cut it quite thin, so that it's easier to mash up. Now mash. Mashed as it's going to get, so I'm going to add my egg. Heat a pan over a medium heat and just wait for it to get hot. Just add it in. Add a couple of teaspoons. I don't know how to get the pancakes in like a perfect shape. They just kind of do whatever they want, but it works for me. After a minute or so, then you can flip and then just repeat. Obviously you can make them whatever size you want, and I just kind of keep flipping until I'm happy with it, to be honest. I think I'm going to manage to get 5 pancakes out of this. I still have some left that I'll probably do. I've got 2 on the plate, 2 in the pan. Should I attempt to flip one? Okay, so this one's turned into a bit of a disaster. But the other one's turned out fine. So this is the last one. I'll just pour the rest in. Should I try and flip it? It's a no-go. That's going to go everywhere if I do. And there we have it, 5 pancakes. So normally when I would have pancakes, I would have Nutella or butter and jam, but I've got a new thing for honey. I'm really loving honey right now, so I'm going to put honey on because it's only 49 calories for a teaspoon, and a teaspoon will definitely do all of this. We need a taste test, so here they are. I think they look pretty good. I'm very impressed. They definitely turned out better than the other ones I did, but let's do a taste test. I'm also filming a short that you probably would have seen yesterday, so if I'm not concentrating as much, that is why. You ready? So good, so good. Obviously they do have a banana tinge to it. And normally I don't like banana flavoured stuff, but these are good. And I was right, it's more than enough honey. I did think about adding some vanilla extract in, but I don't think it needs it. It doesn't taste too banana, and it doesn't taste eggy, which was my main concern when I first tried it, that it was going to be eggy, but it's really not. I think the banana must cancel out the egg and the sugar, and it makes it sweet. So good. They're gone. They lasted like a minute. So let's count up how many calories are in that now. Okay, so I'm just going to use my calorie app and figure out how many calories is actually in those pancakes. So, a medium egg, 1 medium egg, banana. A typical banana contains 154 calories, and the honey was clear Tesco honey, and we used a tablespoon. 269 calories for that whole thing, and honestly I am full. Let me know if you even like pancakes. To be fair, I've never normally cared about pancakes that much, but more recently, in more recent years, I have definitely been into pancakes. I think it's because Stephen makes them and he makes quite good ones. I'm just licking the honey. I made my own healthy ones this year. So if you've liked this video, please don't forget to like, leave me a little comment and subscribe if you're not already. It would be greatly appreciated, and I'll see you on Sunday with the next video. Bye!